bananas, and then top coat, matte top coat on, here for 60 seconds. And I'm gonna add thing a calming. It is really, really cool. I'm excited about this. And then you can draw yours however you want. It doesn't have to be the way I'm doing it. So a lot of you do S shape, a lot of you doing all different, like. Then you can add more. You can, if you want your marble to be like a dogger, then add dogger on. You know what? It looks so cool. It's come out like a matching with the jade green though. All right, so crystal clear. So if you are checking a new like fusionings out, getting one of them, but make sure you do yourself a favor, getting your matte top coat and your crystal clear. Those will definitely make your marblings like fun nail art is so much easier, and it does all the work for you. So I'm not gonna use just a little bit of crystal clear. You can see that just little go a long way. And then I'm gonna go ahead and using them, it's just like blending them, but kind of not blending them. It's just really, really gentle, like a little touch. Okay. Wipe off my bristle first before I dip it back in. All right. Okay, wipe it off again before I pick it up the more fusion ink crystal clear. Okay. And you want more veinings? You absolutely can.
That looked really good.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
So you know what? You can go on and on and on and on and on however you want. You can stop at any point. You can continue if you want to. Looks is absolutely beautiful. You don't have to do anything else with this at all. Or you can do veining, like a gold veinings will be beautiful. All right, so 2 of this.